You're gonna fall to your knees. I'm gonna howl at the moon like it's made for me.
Okay, 2020 is over. Well, it's going to be over after tomorrow night at midnight. And we're filming this video December 30th, so it's the last Beergr episode of 2020. I know many of you cannot wait to get 2020 over with. I'm right with you. But for dozens of people out there, 2020 brought Beergr. And I mean, for those dozens of people that watch my channel, I'm so grateful to you. And I hope you've made some Beergrs in your own home and in your life. And I hope if you made some, just comment below. Tell me that you made some Beergrs. And you're going to love the last Beergr of 2020. It's kind of a, I don't care. I'm just going to smash some ground filet into the brand new Pit Boss tabletop griddle that Wifey Sauce got me for Christmas. We have been cooking on this thing since December 23rd. We open up presents early, no. But, we've been cooking and eating ever since, and we love it. So the last Beergr is going to be a double smash burger, greasy diner style, right into the griddle. It's going to be ground filet, so that's super delicious. And we're going to put American cheese and pepper jack cheese. We're going to fry up some jalapenos. Ooh, put some pop of heat in Daddy's mouth. And then we're going to make a mayo, stone ground mustard, Kewpie mayo, stone ground mustard, and onion sauce to go with everything on the most delicious looking buns that I have ever found, aside from these buns. They look like the beef on weck buns. They're like croissant rolls, but they're like covered in kosher salt. Oh, they look so good. I can't wait. Grab your favorite beer. Let's go make the last Beergr of 2020. Yeah. Grab your favorite beer. Let's go make the last Beergr of 2020. Okay, we're just going to start by dicing up an onion. Cut it in half and just use your fingers as a guide. Put little slices through. Don't cut all the way through. And now just slicey through. Nice fine little spots of onion. Here we go. That's perfect. We use about a third of that onion for this. And now we're going to make our jalapenos. So we're going to chop those up into little thick little spots. And then now we're going to cook bacon. Yes, there's bacon and jalapeno in this. I like my bacon crispy. Okay, beat up 1 egg. Add in a little bit of milk, maybe about a 1/4 cup, and beat that together. Then put some potato starch and some flour and a little bit of black pepper, and let's just dunk our jalapenos into that flour, into the egg, back into the flour until you got a nicely coated jalapeno. All right, now we've got some avocado oil, about 350 degrees. Fry them up. It just takes a little bit, maybe 30 to 60 seconds on each side, and it's nice and crispy. And once you pull them out, hit them with a little bit of salt. You can see our beautiful crispy bacon over there. Now our sauce. I'd say about a 1/2 cup of Kewpie mayo, a couple tablespoons of stone ground mustard, and let's throw in that diced onion and just mixy, and this is a very pretty sauce. Num num num, yummy. Ooh, that looks pretty. And look at these buns. Look at the buns. Then we're gonna put a little Kewpie mayo onto these beautiful buns. And just spread that mayo out, and now let's toast our buns on this awesome Pit Boss tabletop griddle. Give them a little smush so that mayo cooks into them. Ooh, you know I like my buns, Charry. Oh, let's take our burger balls and let's put them on top, the flat top. We want it hot up there, 400, 450 degrees. Sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. And let's give them a smash. Now when I smash it, I like to kind of work it around in circles and kind of smash those edges a little more than the center, so you get those nice crispy bits on the outside, and you're going to see those crispy bits in just a second. Ooh, I love this tabletop griddle. And now just kind of work your spatula around to get under everything and make sure you get all that crust that formed underneath there. See that beautiful crunchy crust. We love that. Keep going, and let's give the rest of them a flip, and they are looking awesome. Now we're going to put on 1 piece of pepper jack cheese, 1 piece of American cheese on each, and let that melty. So as soon as you turn them over, slap that cheese on there, let them melt, and then we'll just stack them on top of each other. Ooh, baby. Oh man, they look amazing. Just stack them, put them on a plate, and we cook the rest of the burgers later. Now we're gonna build. Let's put our sauce on the bottom bun. Spread it all out. Let's use a nice copious amount of this sauce to get that onion for that crunch in there, tang from the stone ground mustard, and the deliciousness. And there's our jalapenos, and let's sprinkle on some chopped up bacon. Set the patties down. Look at it, looks perfect. Put a little bit more sauce on top of this burger. Oh man, look at that beautiful bun. That's a beautiful bun. And now let's cut so you can see the inside. And oh, see those crispy bits? Oh man. Nom 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 nom. 2020 is over, and this is the celebratory going into 2021 without a care in the world. Just gonna try anything and everything. Here we go. Oh my. Mmm.
Well, that bun is awesome.
Sauce. You know what? Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Ooh, jalapeno. You just said, hey, daddy. Let's see what we're pairing this with today.
Kind of hot in these rhinos.
Kinda hot in these rhinos. Oh man. Beer can labels just keep getting better and better. Voodoo Brewing, kinda hot in these rhinos. It's a 7.9%er, and it's a double golden rye IPA. Happy New Year. Cheers to Beergr. Cheers to you. As always, be generous in life and with your Beergrs. Happy New Year!